Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. Today we're going to be making our own bouncy ball in 5 easy steps. Didn't know you can make a bouncy ball, especially in such a little kit. I feel like I'm either going to do a really good job and it's going to be really bouncy, or it's not. Like it's just going to break apart. I guess these are the really simple kind of steps to guide you. So yeah, let's get this video going. Okay, so this is all it comes with. Yeah, there's nothing else in this. Hopefully I do a good job now that there's no instructions, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so you can make the ball out of 4 colors. It's green, pink, purple, or blue. And I think the way that it works is you put whatever pattern that you want in the ball and then you click it into place. What the? You click it into place and then you dip it in water. In about 5 minutes, it should be all done. So let's do it. Okay, so we have our cup that we're gonna put it in. We also have our water here. It's just room temperature. I don't know if it was supposed to be cold or hot. So, all right, I'm gonna make this little ball, at least the first ball, green and blue, because, you know, those are my favorite colors. God, please don't mess this up. So now looking at it, I think we're gonna have to put all of the colors in here. So we got our ball done and finished. We did blue, green, purple, and pink. You need all of them to actually make one ball. I've found myself kind of wondering, do I leave it in water for 3 minutes? Do I hold it in water for 3 minutes? Do I just put a little bit of water in for 3 minutes? Yes, I do realize I said the same thing, just in different ways. Okay, I know. Let's just keep it going. So fingers crossed that we do good, because I don't have another one of these. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is leave it in water for 3 minutes, then take it out and leave it out in the air for 2 minutes. That's kind of how I interpret the instructions on the box. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, so now I'm just gonna leave it out of the water just like this for 5 minutes. Let's open this thing up. Okay, so this thing is kind of hard to get off. Don't want to break it. Okay, so as you can see, here's the bouncy ball. It is pretty hard. Like, I'm not gonna put too much pressure on it, but it is pretty hard. And it's really sticky too. I really wonder what this stuff is. It's, if you know, leave it down in the comment section. It's actually kind of cool. But the real test is if it can bounce. I'm just kidding, guys. That was just a joke. This is really how it bounces. I'm talking over this video, this little section of the video, because I know the last thing you want to hear is me grunting or bending over for the ball. Yeah, it works, guys. Ta-da. Anyways, cue the outro. Okay, so after testing it outside a bit, it does bounce and it does stay together. I thought that once I dropped it on the ground, it was just gonna break and shatter like into all these little gel pieces, but it does stick together. Quite impressive, to be honest, for just a couple of bucks. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. We're now at 35 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It means a lot that you guys watch these videos. Please remember to hit the bell notification, because I make new videos every Saturday, and I might drop in a couple of random videos if you like those too. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, or whenever you watch this, just have a great day in general. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.